few weeks ago I had to amuse some children, and the little girl said, "Want to do sewing?" So I thought, what can they do? I know, we'll make a really, really fast little easy bag. And because they were girls, I suggested we actually appliqued a heart to the centre of their little bag. So I cut a heart shape, bonded it in place, and then I've satin stitched over the edge of the heart shape using one of those variegated threads. Now, when you are doing any satin stitching, you want to have the finest needle possible. That's it. Having done that, drop the lining into the bag, and of course you would remember to sew up the hole in the lining, wouldn't you? It's something I often don't do, and then of course I wonder where everything goes because I lose it inside. The lining will now fit absolutely beautifully inside the bag because it is a tad smaller. And if you didn't like having the handles in the middle, there's no reason why you can't do the bag without the handles and stitch them on afterwards. I had a longer strap. I folded a bit up there so I got a little sort of loop, artistic. And there is my little bag that I could sling over my shoulder.